Welcome to Helpful and Healthful. Ocean plastic pollution is a major environmental issue that poses a threat to marine life and human health. What is plastic and what is it made of? Plastic is a synthetic material made from various organic polymers that can be molded into different shapes and forms. It is commonly used in multiple products such as packaging, furniture, toys, and electronics. Plastic is typically made from petroleum-based materials such as crude oil and natural gas through a process called polymerization. During this process, small molecules called monomers are chemically bonded together to form long chains, creating a polymer. These polymers can be molded into various shapes to create different plastic products. History of plastic. Plastic was first developed in the 1860s, but it was in the 1950s that it became a popular material due to its versatility and affordability. Since then, it has been used for various applications from packaging to construction to medical devices. However, the widespread use of plastic has also led to environmental concerns because its breakdown can take hundreds of years, and it is not biodegradable. Efforts are now underway to reduce plastic waste and find more sustainable alternatives. What is single-use plastic? Single-use plastics are plastic items designed to be used once before being thrown away or recycled. Examples include plastic bags, straws, water bottles, and packaging. These items significantly contribute to plastic pollution and negatively impact the environment and wildlife. 5 reasons why plastic is bad for the environment. 1. Plastic takes a long time to decompose. It does not break down naturally because it is non-biodegradable. Some kinds of plastic take up to 1,000 years to break down, which means it accumulates in landfills and oceans. 2. Plastic pollution harms wildlife. Plastic waste can harm and kill wildlife such as birds, fish, and marine mammals that mistake it for food or become entangled. 3. Production of plastic contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. The production of plastic, mainly from fossil fuels, is a significant contributor to the production of greenhouse gases which contribute to climate change. 4. Plastic harms human health. Plastic contains chemicals that can harm human health, mainly if plastic is used for food and drink packaging. Plastic waste can contaminate soil and water sources, negatively impacting human health and the environment. 5. Plastic waste is difficult to recycle. Plastic waste disposal often involves incineration, which can release toxic pollutants into the air and contribute to air pollution. The recycling rate for plastic waste is very low. The recycling process itself can be energy intensive and produce pollution. Plastic pollution, ocean pollution. Plastic waste's environmental accumulation is called plastic pollution, particularly in oceans, rivers, and landfills. It poses a threat to wildlife, marine life, and human health. Marine animals can ingest plastic debris, leading to injury, suffocation, or starvation. It can also contaminate the food chain, affecting the health of marine and human populations. Plastic pollution can negatively impact the economy and tourism industry in several ways. It can create unsightly litter, making tourist areas less appealing to visitors. Finally, cleaning up plastic waste can be expensive, diverting resources from other economic activities. To reduce plastic pollution, it is crucial to minimize the use of single-use plastic items and properly dispose of plastic waste. To address this issue, individuals and governments can reduce plastic use, increase recycling and waste management efforts, and support innovative solutions to tackle plastic pollution. What are the 7 types of plastic, and how do they affect your health? The 7 types of plastic are 1. PET, 2. HDPE, 3. PVC, 4. LDP, 5. PP, 6. PS, and 7. Other. The health effects of each type of plastic can vary depending on the specific chemicals used in their production and how they are used and disposed of. Some plastics, such as PVC and PS, have been associated with potential health risks. In contrast, others, such as PET and HDPE, are generally considered safer. Following proper plastic usage and disposal guidelines is essential to minimize potential health impacts. What is BPA-free plastic? BPA-free plastic is a type of plastic that does not contain bisphenol A, BPA, a chemical that has been linked to potential health risks. BPA is often used to produce plastic products, such as water bottles and food containers. BPA-free plastic is considered a safer alternative as it doesn't contain this possibly harmful substance. Reducing the use of plastic in our daily lives is an essential step towards a more sustainable future. By making small but conscious changes to our daily routines, we can contribute to a healthier planet for ourselves and future generations. 6 ways to avoid plastics. 1. Bring your reusable bags when you shop. 2. Instead of purchasing bottled water, use a water bottle that can be refilled. 3. Choose products with minimal packaging or packaging made from eco-friendly materials. 4. Avoid single-use plastics, such as straws, utensils, cups, and food wraps. 5. Buy in bulk and opt for eco-friendly alternatives or natural materials such as glass, metal, or cloth. 6. Recycle properly and dispose of plastics in the appropriate bin. Check out the link given in the description box for the eco-friendly replacements for plastic items. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to give us a like and share the video with your friends. For more helpful and healthful videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Stay healthy, stay happy.